to fix this problem, what you have to do is to tap on the Amino app for some while. And when you tap on it for some while, you are going to see this pop-up. So when you find this pop-up, just tap on the app info. So just tap on it. And when you tap on it, you're going to be in app info of Amino app. So what you have to do when you get to this section is to tap on the force stop. Tap on OK, tap on notifications, make sure this is turned on. So after that, tap on Wi-Fi, mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure the background data is turned on. Now go back and tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, go back and tap on permissions and make sure this is allowed. So after allowing all this, what you have to do is to tap on advanced, then you tap on, you scroll down, then you tap on app details, and this is going to get you to Google Play Store. So when you get over here, what you have to do, so guys, when you get to Google Play Store, what you have to do is to search in for Amino app. So you just tap on the app, and what you have to do is to try to update the app. So after updating your Amino app, what you have to do lastly is to just to restart your device. So when you get your device restart or reboot, the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.